What if you were told to bow or burn? King Nebuchadnezzar built a golden giant 90 feet high. The music played and the world hit the ground. But three men stood tall. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused to worship a statue. The king turned the furnace heat up 7 times hotter. He threw them into the heart of the fire. The guards died from the heat alone. But the king looked in and gasped. He saw 4 men walking in the flames untouched. The fourth looked like the Son of God. Faith changed the fire.